Today, the traffic jams is the big problem everywhere in the world, especially in the urban area. Why do we face the traffic jams? Because we already have one street surface, but we need to share all of the moving purpose. dronepro.vn has the solution for that, and we choose the niche market to start our solution. You can imagine that every year, many accidents is recorded from the service cleaning classes of the high-rise building. Moreover, if you live in the apartment of the high-rise building, if you order something like a food, a pizza or a soup of pho, for example, you need to wait about 45 minutes to receive your orders, because you need to wait for the seller to process your product. You need to wait your shipper to move in the street with many traffic conditions. And then you need to go down to the main gate of the building to receive the order and then turn back to your apartment to consume. Our solution, we create the smart flying device system to deliver the good and service directly to the surface of the high-rise building. So we add many safety standards and functions to the platform, and it just takes about 30 to 50% of the time. That means you just wait 5 to 10 minutes after your order, and you can receive your order at the balcony of the apartment. And because this is the autonomous system, so the cost just about 50% compared to the cost of the traditional solution by worker. And the most interesting is that if you own one of our drone, you will make money by receive the service fee from the platform. So our about the commercial market drone is grow very fast, around 20% per year for many years, and it's reached 43 billion US dollars in 2024. Our product come from two components. First is the smart delivery drone system for logistics. We add many safety functions like airbag, special airbag, and parachute and insurance inside the drone, and with the radar to detect and avoid the collisions. All of the data we transfer through the high-speed mobile internet, 4G, 5G, so you can update the traffic condition for this. And the most interesting is that this is the multi-function platform. That means you can convert the primary function is delivery to other function. For example, cleaning the classes outside of the building, or firefighting, or painting outside. And the next solution is the virtual infrastructure for that smart drone. This is the multi information street surface. This is a virtual street surface for the drone to move. So this is a very easy manageable system for the government, for the manager to manage the whole system when it's work in the city. Our product has the strong competitive advantage compared to other players. First is the size efficiency. Our size just the delivery case size. And second, we have the strong balance system for delivery case. Many safety standard is applied to the system. We just focus on unit market is high-rise building, and this create no security issue. So it can apply to many countries. We are the first smart drone system that do not dip the landing area. It can serve directly the surface of the building. Our business model, we have three types of revenues. First is the service revenues for high-rise building, like the cleaning classes, painting outside, delivery. Second is the sales revenues. In scale-up period, we plan to sell directly the drone to the public and then receive the delivery fee and all the service fee as the return for them. It's around 20% per year. And the last revenues sources is come from our patent. So this is how this work. In a service period, we set up a system support in front of the high-rise building and mix with the traditional solution like shipper, for example, and it can serve the apartment. But in scale-up period, our drone system will serve directly the buyer from the drone owner position and the seller position. Don't need the shipper anymore. So I will go to the market strategy. We have three phases. First is the service phase. We focus on the cleaning service for high-rise building, painting outside, and firefighting just make the relationship with the government. And in scale-up period, we focus on the delivery service for high-rise building. And when we increase the payload and the range enough, we can transport human in urban area. And at that time, we will apply for transportation and solve the traffic jam problem completely. Our team is assembly from many talents, mechatronics, robotics, computer science, AI application, aviation technology, programming engineer, and we have a strong board of advisor come from data science, legal support, accounting support. And we achieved many milestones in the last 2 years, including many rewards from domestic and international startup competition. And we also have 3 customers that are ready to use our commercial solution. So right now we are just looking for the sponsors to support 2 years of financing to improve our R&D facility, hire more talent, and become the market leader in the high-rise building service for smart road. Thank you.